All right, so next is maps on loops. So like it says here in the documentation, Bootstrap includes a handful of Sass maps, key value pairs that make it easier to generate families of related CSS. We use Sass maps for colors, grid breakpoints, and more. Just like Sass variables, all Sass maps include the default flag, can be overridden and extended. Some of our Sass maps are merged into empty ones by default. This is done to allow easy expansion of a given Sass map. It comes at the cost of removing items from a map slightly more difficult. They touch on that a little bit more a little bit later on. But we've already done one of these, modify map, right? So like it says here, all variables in the theme colors map are defined by standalone variables. To modify an existing color in the theme colors map, simply change the Sass variable. So we did that already in our project, right? We have here primary and dangers. We've changed those from blue to red and red to purple and green. And you can see here later on these variables are set in Bootstrap's theme colors map. So theme colors map here, you can see has these two key values. One's the actual name of it, the primary, and then refers to the variable. Next is adding to the map. So let's say you wanted to add a custom color. So add new colors to theme colors or any other map by creating a new Sass map with your custom values and merging it with the original map. In this case, we'll create a new custom colors map and merge it with a theme color. So we create a new map called custom colors. You can name this really anything. But yeah, just for the demo version, they call this custom colors, and then they name it custom color, and then they give it a hex value of number 900, and then they're going to merge it in theme colors. So they just go back to theme colors variable and then do a map merge function. They name the function or the map that they want to blend the new custom colors into, which is the theme colors, and then just add custom colors. So it's pretty straightforward. And you can see here in this version, on our version, I've commented out exactly that. I've changed the custom colors a little bit. But yeah, you can see here kind of how this works. So now I have, yeah, this new map called custom colors. Here's my custom color. It's RGB, 150, 218, and 32. It's kind of this weird green color. Maybe we'll change this color to something else. I don't know. Let's see here. What color should we change it to? Orange. Make it orange. Okay. And then we just simply save that. And yeah, doing the map merge. So theme colors, map merge theme colors with the custom colors. And you could add more colors here if you wanted to and name them and stuff like that, but I'll just leave that with the custom color for now. And then I've created a button here that I've commented out as well in my HTML. I'll uncomment that. And you can see here now I have my class button, and then I go button custom color, right? And then it's going to create a button with that custom color in it now. So I'm going to save that. It builds, and then we should be able to go back and see this. Yeah, there it is, that orange colored button. So that's how that works. So that's how you add to the existing maps. Bootstrap also says you can remove things from the map. So like, for instance, it says remove colors from theme colors or any other map, use map remove function. Be aware you must insert theme colors between our requirements just after its definition in variables and before its usage of maps. So same kind of idea here. Yeah, you just use this like map remove function. In this case, they're actually just going straight into removing info light and dark from the theme colors map. Now, I'm not going to go through this. It's pretty straightforward. They do mention that required keys, you might not necessarily want to just like go and like willy-nilly start taking out the different colors from like theme colors, for instance, because it gets used so often in so many different places, and they even warn against it. They say like basically like right here, don't remove primary success and danger from theme colors because it gets used all over the place and it could cause all kinds of unexpected messes. So anyways, that's if you want to learn more about that, there it is. Next, we're going to look at the functions.